Hi, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a fellow cleaner since 1985. I want to talk to you about Surround Ultra. And there are two versions of this product. We have the original Ultra with Pro Fresh, and it also comes in a second fragrance, which is Downy with Lemon. They're both exactly the same except for the fragrance. They both contain our T2H polymers, which are dustless, and they don't change the texture or feel of the carpet like crystallizing polymers do. And they both contain zinc-based odor neutralizers. So if you have a wet carpet smell, or sometimes when you clean the carpet, you get the moisture from the cleaning activates some odors in the carpet, the zinc-based odor neutralizers help to go after and take care of that for you. The Pro Fresh can linger, so if you clean something at night, you can still smell that the next morning. The Downy fragrance, which is a wonderful smell, dissipates more quickly once it dries. So you have kind of a long-term and a short-term fragrance option with these products. They contain a little bit of an antimicrobial, as all Bonnet Pro products do. So after you mix them, they don't go rancid in the tank right away like some of the competitors' products. These can stay for a week or more, and the solution will still be good. So if there's some in the tank on a Friday and you go back Monday morning, you don't have a rancid tank you have to wash out. You still have a great smelling product ready to work for you. These products can be used with any method, whether it's extraction pre-spray or for bonnet cleaning or any other low moisture method. So you get the T2H polymers, which are dustless. You get a great smelling product, which will really please your customers. You get good cleaning power, and you also get our $7 shipping. So these come with $7 per case shipping anywhere in the United States borders, and also if you order 3 cases or more, they ship for free. So these are freeze-thaw stable, and these are an excellent product. When we get to our Omega or Omegazyme products, they're built off of this. So we start with this. This is our base product. These are our oldest products. And then if we need something stronger, you can go to Omega Citrus, and you can go to Omegazyme for more greasy environments. In the future, we'll be adding the AFT, the active film technology, to this, and not changing the price point. So it will further increase the value of these products. So again, you have Surround Ultra, Ultra Downy with Lemon, and you have 2 options of fragrance to satisfy you and your customers. Thanks for watching. You can see more at bonnetpro.com.